Welcome to the Innovative Educators Canvas training course. I'm Carrie Whitehead and I will be one of the trainers for this course. We are very excited about Canvas and cannot wait to show you the new Canvas platform. The purpose of this video is to give you a quick tour of our course. Whether you are joining us for the hybrid option or you are completing the course via the online option, the courses are set up the same. As you can see, this is our homepage. Anytime Stephanie or I send out an announcement, they can be viewed right here. The homepage only holds the last 3 announcements that have been sent out. If you wish to view all the announcements, you can click on the announcements in the course navigation menu. If you scroll down to the bottom of the homepage, you will see the quick access links. The Start Here button will take you through the introductory elements of the course, such as the course overview and the course resources. The Staff Information button will take you to the instructor information page for Stephanie and I. The Learning modules will take you to the modules for this course. The learning modules can also be accessed by clicking modules in the course navigation menu. The Course Resources button will show you the different resources that are available to students, such as technology support, the Student Success Center, the Student Accessibility Office. It also provides important contact information for different departments, such as the Records Department, the Financial Aid Department, the Testing Center, etc. The Lee Library button will take you to the Lee Library page, which contains valuable resources for both you and your students. If we scroll back up on the home page, you will see a to-do list. This lists the different assignments or quizzes or discussion boards that are due. It gives the due dates, and as you complete items, they will drop off of the to-do list. This to-do list can also be located on the calendar by clicking the calendar button in the global navigation. Your different calendars show different colors. That way you can determine, this shows all of your courses. So if you want to see just the Innovative Educators, then you can unclick the other calendars. And I'm going to go ahead and click to January. And you can see right here that we've already got items with their due dates for January 24th. All you have to do is just click on them and click the link, and it will take you directly to that link. So now I want to get back to my course, because this contains information for all of your courses. This is global. So I'm going to click on Courses and the particular course I want to go to. And also with the to-do list, if you click on this link, it will take you directly to that item. So now let's click on the syllabus link. This is dedicated to the syllabus and the course schedule. You can view the course syllabus by clicking the magnifying glass. This expands out the syllabus and you can view it without having to leave the page. When you're done viewing the syllabus, you'll just click Minimize File Preview and it collapses it. If you want to download a copy, then you can click this direct link and it will download a copy to your computer or whatever device that you're using. We're going to get rid of that, and if I scroll down, you'll see the course summary. And as we add due dates to different items, then they will be broken out and it tells you the due date and the time that it's due. And also, as we start adding due dates, they will update automatically. As before, the modules can be accessed from either the home page, from the quick access links, or you can click on Modules, and it will take you directly to the modules. To get started with a module, you can click on this first item right here. And to navigate through a module, you're just going to scroll down and you're going to click Next. and then you'll scroll down and you'll click Next. If you need to go back and review an item, then you can go back to Previous and it will take you back and allow you to go back and review an item. To see how you're doing in the course, you can click on Grades. This shows you all of the assignments, quizzes, discussions, anything that is gradable. It will give you a due date and it gives you your score out of how many it's worth. And you can also click this link and it will take you directly to that item. Again, whether you're joining us for the hybrid option or you're completing the course, completing the online option, the courses are set up the same way. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to Stephanie or I. Our contact information is on the staff information page, which can be located on the home page. Scroll down to Access Links, click on Staff Information, and you can find our contact information. Thank you, and we cannot wait to show you Canvas.